Hey, here's number 14 on our homework. So given ABC is a right angle, prove that ABD and CBD are complementary angles. So just give me a second here to create enough space that I can actually write in. All right. So I'm going to make my two columns here. So one angle ABC is a right angle that's given. And I want to prove that ABD and CBD are complementary. Well, right angle, what does that mean? So we start with our given. Then we do definitions. Then we do segment or angle addition, postulates. Then we substitute. And of course, if you can't do one step, you can always skip it, depending on the problem. Some of these you won't be able to do. I guess I'll just white this out. There we go. So we've already done our given. We got to do some definitions. Well, what does it mean to be a right angle? It means that the measure of angle ABC equals 90 degrees. So that's the definition of right angle. And then we're on step 3, which we know now is the segment addition postulate or the angle addition postulate. I would encourage you to pause the video, try to write out your segment or angle addition postulate, and see if you can work from there to get that ABD and CBD are complementary. Again, you'll have to substitute again after. So angle addition, then substitution, then you should have your proof done, or at least very close to done. So here I've got angle addition, which means measure of angle ABD plus the measure of angle, wow, that's a really ugly M, plus the measure of angle CBD equals the measure of angle ABC. It's angle addition postulate. Okay. Step 4, what can you substitute? What can you substitute from here? And again, I think at this point you could probably try to work out the proof on your own. I would encourage you to pause the video and then only unpause to check your work or to get help. But step 4, I can substitute in measure of angle ABD plus the measure of angle CBD equals 90 degrees because we were told, this is 90 here, so we can substitute this for this. All right, and then that's not what I wanted. Step 5, well, if ABD and CBD are two angles that add to 90, and I just want to prove they're complementary, what does it mean to be complementary? It means they add to 90. So that was substitution. So I'm basically there. To be complementary means they add to 90. So I can say angle ABD and angle CBD are complementary because that's what complementary means. It means they add to 90. That's the definition of complementary angles. So complementary just means that they had 90. So once I got to the point where I could say that they added to 90, I was home free. It was just getting to that point. So now I've got my proof. Again, just remember, anytime you're looking at a vocabulary word, use your definitions, and if they ask you to say that something is supplementary or a linear pair or congruent or, I don't know, forms a right angle, you can always think back in your head about what does that mean? What does complementary mean? It means they add to 90. So once I proved that they added to 90, I was done. Let me know what other problems you'd like worked out, and I will see you soon.